feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shay. If you're new to my channel, then definitely welcome. Today's video, I wanted to show you guys step-by-step tutorial on how I do passion twists on my own hair. I will be showing you guys the parting products that I will be using, as well as how I install the twist into my hair. Using spring twist, which I got from Amazon, and I got it in the length 12-inch. The 12-inch do stretch a pretty longer length than what it is. So I'm going to be using two different colors. This is the 1B, and then this is a ombre color, which is the M1B 27. So I will be installing both of these into my hair, and we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and start my parting. I am going to be parting my hair into 5 different sections. I actually found this tutorial on YouTube from this YouTuber by the name of She's Beauty, and she had like the perfect tutorial on how to pre-part your hair for twist or box braids. The first section that I parted off was the back of my head. It's going to be from the top of my ear from one side to the other side. The next section will be parted into 2 sections, so it will be one section on my left side as well as on my right, and then I will also have a middle section in the middle of my head. I will also be parting the middle section into 2 sections as well, and then doing smaller sections into each section, which you guys will see. So there will be a total of 5 sections that I did as far as with the pre-parting. So the front 2 sections, what I'm going to do is I am going to actually part off 5 rows on the left side and then 5 rows on the right side. And as you guys can see here, I'm showing you that I went ahead and twisted those sections or rows up. So I'm starting with the ombre color twist, and I'm just basically stretching it out, and then I'm going to go in with the crochet needle, pull the crochet needle through my hair. I did do the rubber band method, and then I braided my hair down a little bit. So making sure that the twists are even on both ends. And then what I'm doing is actually twisting the hair towards the back of my head. I am actually on the left side. This is how you're going to make sure that you are twisting the hair correctly. So I am on the left side, and I'm twisting the hair away from my face. So you want to make sure that when you are on the left side, twisting the left side of your head, you are twisting as well as wrapping the twist towards the back of your head. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys again. This time I'm using the 1B or black color twist. So I went ahead and applied some Shine and Jam on my hair, and I'm pulling the twist through my hair with the crochet needle, making sure that both ends are even. And in order for me to hide the rubber band, I'm actually going to twist the hair around the rubber band 3 times and then twist down. I'm going to also be splitting my hair into 2 and then twisting it all together with the spring twist hair. So I'm just basically following the same process for every section of my hair. I think I did a total of 12 twists on my left side. So I wanted to show you guys one more time. I'm applying some Shine and Jam to my natural hair. Then I'm going to stretch out the spring twist. I'm going to use my crochet needle to pull the twist through my hair. I'm going to wrap the twist around the rubber band towards the back of my head about 2 to 3 times just to cover or hide the rubber band. And then after I do that, I'm going to
2-strand twist, the spring twist into my hair, and I'm twisting it towards the back of my head, so away from my face. So once I pass the braided part of my natural hair, I'm going to split my natural hair in two, and then continue to twist the hair all the way down towards the end of the hair. And then once I get close to the end, what I'll do is I'll take my finger and wrap the twist around just to make sure that it's secure and it won't unravel. So it is the next day. You guys, I did this over a span of 3 days just to make sure I wouldn't tire myself out. So what I'm doing is I am doing the right side of my head. I am applying the rubber band, which I soaked in coconut oil. So I applied that to my hair, braided my hair down a little bit, and I'm going in with the spring twist or passion twist hair with the crochet needle. I'm making sure that it is even on both sides. So since I'm on my right side, you want to do it a little bit differently. So with the right side, what I'll do is I will twist the hair towards my face. So I'm going to wrap it around the rubber band 2 to 3 times, and then I'm going to twist towards my face. So once again, I'm following the same process, making sure that I am wrapping the hair as well as twisting the hair towards my face. So this is my first time doing passion twist or spring twist to my own hair, and it was a little bit of a struggle. One of the main things I did not like was the shine and jam. It just did not do what needed to be done to make sure that my parting was super crisp. I'm going to make sure the next time I do this style to use a different edge control. So basically on the right side, I have the same amount of twists. So I think it's about 12 twists on both sides. So 12 twists on my left as well as my right. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this section, because I'm done with it, into a ponytail and move it out the way. And then I will be working on the back of my head. So I did start with the bottom half of my hair. And basically you want to do the same thing that you did in the front section. If you're working on your left side, you want to make sure that you are twisting towards the back of your head. And if you're working on your right side, you want to make sure that you're twisting towards the front of your head.
You feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions, and it's too much sometimes. Mix the potion, mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you burning or dying?
Okay, you guys, so I am done. This is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this really quick tutorial on how I do passion twist on my head. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe so you can get notified each and every time I post a new video. And until next time, you guys, I'll see you in the next video.